Hey, welcome back to your Excel chart lab team for the second video on this blue chip Sunday. The second blue chip stock for this evening is McDonald's restaurants. Before we get started, a big shout out to all the 200 plus people who watched the videos yesterday. But I got a big favor. It's all I need to ask. If you watched the video, click that like button. And if you haven't subscribed, click the subscribe button also. Alrighty? Okay, also we mentioned before we get started that there will be a link to the GitHub repository that contains this spreadsheets and all my spreadsheets in the description and in the comments below. So go out and grab the spreadsheet for yourself. Of course, before we get started, standard disclaimer applies. This video is for educational purposes only. It is not for financial investment or trading advice. Let's jump right in. So start. This is the this is just the closing price with the volume. Of course, what we're interested in is maybe the RSI plot. You can see right now, I did go over the overbought, oversold. Right now, it's kind of, it looks like it's heading back up, so we'll see what happens. The ever-popular VWAP, the good news is we are above the VWAP line, which is considered to be good news. And, well, we're a little bit above the standard deviation, but that's okay. We're above the VWAP. Bollinger Bands, you can see here, average price, some volatility, up, down, back up, up, up. Now we're back down to bottom again with some volatility, so we have to wait and see what happens. MACD plot, well, we just wrapped up some negative momentum here, okay? But it looks like it could, again, it looks like it could be heading back up, so we'll have to check on this next week, okay? 100-day moving average, we were above there for a bit. Now we're right on the very edge of this. So, well, it's been kind of a rough ride for McDonald's. Above the 100-day average, below, above, and now kind of moving sideways a little bit. Of course, last but not least, what y'all been waiting for, the forecast. I mention as always I do that the ETS function built into Excel is not optimized for stock forecasting. Also, what we're forecasting here is the weekly average closing price for the first quarter. Okay, by week. Okay. Trend line says the forecast is with some volatility is going to wind up about where just a little bit above where it started, because this is. See the orange lines there? That's the actual average weekly price for the month of January. So we're within the bands, so that's good news. So we'll have to wait and see if we're going to have bands actually going to take a little nosedive here, but we'll see what happens. Okay, so there you have it. All your stock charts and your forecast for McDonald's restaurant for the first quarter of 2026.